Amusa barka, amusa. Abdul Bari amus.
Aya, asanteni sana. Wajia hoye. Wajia hoye. Tumekuja hapa kwa shughuli ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumetimiza ahadi ya rais ambaye aliwaahidi wa Kenya ya kwamba atakapokuwa rais wa Kenya tutaondoa ile masuala mengi ya vetting ambayo Wakenya wengi ambao wanaishi karibu na border county walikuwa wanapitia. Na kwa hivyo nitasoma Aya, asante sana. Aya, imetosha hiyo, ni sawa, asante. Sasa tutasoma ile karatasi ambaye rais atatia sahihi, ile proclamation rais atatangaza, amri ya rais. Kuna amri ya rais ambayo anaenda kuweka sahihi kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi kwa Kenya mzima, kwa kona zote za Kenya, aswa sehemu hii ambao wanapitishwa maswali mengi wakati wanataka kipande ama documents yenye wanataka yoyote, itaondolewa kutoka kitambulisho, itaondolewa kutoka leo. Na kwa hivyo nitasoma kwa Kiingereza, alafu rais atatia sahihi na atawaeleza ni nini yeye ametia sahihi. Now let me read. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Murkomen. Mimi ndio waziri wa usalama katika taifa letu la Kenya. Ningependa kusoma sasa. Haya, tunyamaze wote. Hii ni kitu ya maana sana, tunyamaze wote. In the matter of the registration and issuance of identification documents to persons from communities living in counties adjacent to Kenya's international border. Whereas residents of border counties have historically been subjected to extra requirements for vetting processes as a prerequisite for obtaining national identity cards, whereas the presidency, the National Assembly, and other government offices have received numerous petitions from these communities decrying the extra requirement for vetting process as unjust, unfair, and discriminatory and disenfranchising, and whereas Article 12(1)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya entitles every citizen to a Kenyan passport and any document of registration or identification issued by the state to its citizens, and whereas Article 27(1) of the Constitution affirms that every person is equal before the law and guarantees all citizens the right to equal protection and benefit of the law, while Article 27(4) prohibits the state from discriminating directly or indirectly against any person on any ground, including race, sex, pregnancy, marital status, health status, ethnic or social origin, color, age, disability, religion, conscience, belief, culture, dress, language, or birth. Whereas the Registration of Persons Act obligates every Kenyan citizen above the age of 18 to register and be issued with a national identity card. Whereas the Ministry of Interior National Administration has reviewed and piloted new guidelines for the registration and issuance of identity cards in border counties. Reasons whereof, I, William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, having considered the said petitions in light of the Constitution of Kenya, our national values and principles of governance, by authority vested in me, that is the President, by the Constitution of Kenya, do hereby proclaim an order, 1, that the extra requirement for vetting and ethnic profiling to which persons living within border counties are subjected during the registration and issuance of national identity documents shall be and is hereby discontinued. Now, number 2, that persons, bodies, and authorities within the Republic of Kenya mandated to issue national identity documents shall continuously review their guidelines and processes to ensure equitable, fair, and transparent process in identification and registration of persons. Dated the 5th of February 2025. I now want to invite the President to sign this very important presidential proclamation. His Excellency the President. Viongozi wa kutoka region hii, kujeni msimame hapa kwa picha na rais na naibu wa rais, Your Excellency the Deputy President, for a picture. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, as a symbol of this exercise, we want you to give out, Your Excellency, we want you to give out a few IDs. Tunataka rais apatie wananchi ID ambayo ilipitia hiyo process yenye rais ametangaza. Kitambulisho, tunataka kumwita Bwana Abdile Omar Ali. Abdile Omar Ali. Haya, sasa nawaomba, maybe we step back kidogo. Tusonge nyuma kidogo. Haya, Bwana Abdile. Bwana Abdile Omar Ali. Bwana Ado Farah Adan. Ado Farah Adan. Ado Farah Adan. Utapeana 5, Your Excellency, 5. Kama tunaweza songa nyuma kidogo tu, viongozi. Alafu Bwana Hassan Deka Mukhtar. Mr. Mukhtar. Deka Mukhtar. Hassan Deka Mukhtar. Madam. Alafu Ido Abdi Alaso. Aya, Ido Abdi Alaso. Zakaria ni ya mwisho. Kuna moja Zakaria, the last one. That's the last one. Zakaria Abdi Sheikh is the last one. Your Excellency, that is all. Thank you very much.